Did you know that one of the most overlooked parts of a building, the glass, is also the biggest opportunity to improve safety, energy performance, and comfort? I'm James Beale, co-founder and CEO of NGS. We're the nation's largest dealer and installer of 3M window films. For more than a decade, we've helped companies, schools, and government agencies protect their buildings and lower operating costs using a technology that's been hiding in plain sight. This isn't just tint. This is advanced 3M material science that can cut UV, reduce heat and glare, lower energy consumption, and help defend buildings against break-ins and extreme weather, all with a simple retrofit applied directly onto existing glass. Let me show you what's possible. Today's security landscape is changing faster than ever, and unfortunately, the threats are real. School shootings, civil unrest, smash and grab retail crime, forced entry, storm-driven debris, acts of terrorism. Across every one of these scenarios, there's a common weak point: glass. Glass fails instantly under force. It breaks, shatters, and gives intruders access in seconds while turning fragments into dangerous projectiles. You need a way to slow down forced entry, improve safety, and create time. Time for people to react and time for help to arrive. That's exactly why 3M security window films exist. They give you an evidence-backed, defensible security upgrade that strengthens glass without changing the look or the daylight inside the space. It's simple, it's proven, and it works. Not all security films are created equal. 3M invented this category. They've spent decades perfecting the science behind the film and the adhesive systems, and they're still the only manufacturer that makes both the film and the structural adhesive that anchors it. That means one integrated system engineered to perform as a whole. It starts with 3M Ultra S800, the industry gold standard. Its patented micro-layered polyester construction makes it incredibly tear-resistant, helping to slow down forced entry attempts for schools, retailers, and commercial buildings. Then came the next evolution, 3M S2400. Built with polyurethane instead of polyester, this technology stretches up to 560% before breaking, giving it up to 4 times better breach resistance compared to traditional PET films. In summary, NGS will help you select and deploy the right solution every time. Here's a stat every building professional should know. Up to 34% of a building's heating and cooling load comes from its windows. That means your customers are dealing with hot spots, cold spots, glare, UV damage, uncomfortable tenants, and rising energy costs, all because of untreated glass. Replacing windows sounds great until you look at the price tag, timelines, and operational disruption. 3M Sun Control window films are the smarter alternative. They reduce heat, improve comfort, and help lower energy usage, all without replacing glass, shutting down floors, or interrupting business. If you care about comfort, sustainability, or lowering your operational spend, then Sun Control window film is one of the highest ROI upgrades you can make, according to the U.S. Department of Energy. When it comes to 3M's Sun Control portfolio, the key is matching the film to meet your goals. For strong performance and exceptional value, 3M Affinity delivers high heat rejection and glare reduction with a lower interior reflection than traditional metallic films. For premium performance, 3M Prestige, interior or exterior, is the category leader. This multi-layer optical film rejects heat without darkening glass. It contains no metal, which means no interference with 5G or wireless, no risk of corrosion, no reflectivity associated with metallic films. And here's the big one. Exterior Prestige can boost performance by up to 240% when compared to a similar interior film installed on the same double pane glass. This gives you an unprecedented opportunity to reduce solar heat gain when installed on double pane glass. Across every market from commercial, retail, education, and healthcare, customers want spaces that look better, function better, and cost less to update. But traditional renovations, they're expensive, they're disruptive, and they create massive waste. 3M Decorative and Architectural Films change the game. They let you transform surfaces, add privacy, update branding, and modernize interiors, all without demolition. This presents an opportunity for architects, designers, facility managers, brand teams, and sustainability leaders. These upgrades are fast, affordable, eco-friendly, and repeatable, making them a practical option to achieve design goals while minimizing impact to the environment, the project cost, and building operations. Two products that should be in every designer's toolkit: 3M Dynoc Architectural Finishes and 3M Fasara Decorative Glass Films. Dynoc Architectural Finishes are high-performance surface films that replicate wood, metal, stone, leather, and specialty textures. Dynoc lets you resurface instead of replace. It's what we call dustless renovation. It's sustainable, cost-effective, and it dramatically reduces downtime. Fasara decorative glass films are perfect for adding privacy, branded patterns, conference room treatments, or modern aesthetics, all while maintaining natural light. These innovative solutions can be used across architecture, facilities, and brand design, giving you more ways to beautify your building while managing impact to cost and the environment. Security, sustainability, aesthetics. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the pillars of modern building performance. Now that you watch this series, you're equipped with the fundamentals of the full 3M window film portfolio. Whether you're focused on reducing energy usage, enhancing safety, or reimagining space, there's a retrofit solution waiting for you, and NGS is here to help you deliver it. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the future of building performance.